All right, what's going on, guys? Today, I'm going to be doing a little review / install of this drift button from Touge Factory. As you can see right here, Touge Factory. I got silver with the engraved button. So we're going to go install this in the Miata and show you how it works. All right, so here's what your stock e-brake looks like. It's got the little button, and it goes up, it locks, press it down, and it unlocks. So what you're going to want to do is first unscrew this button. So I'm going to put it down. Probably grab a pair of vice grips and unscrew that. All right, so these two pieces are going to come out, just the end button and the spring, and you do not need those anymore. And then if you look in here, there's this bolt right here, and that's what we're going to be using. All you got to do is just push, thread this onto there like that. Might be a little bit tricky to start it, but get it threaded on there. And that actually went on super easy for me. Just thread it all the way, and that's pretty much all the install. I'll show you when it's 100% threaded. All right, so that's it. All you gotta do is thread it in all the way. If it's pushed down like this, it's just gonna work like a e-brake, like when you wanna drift it. It doesn't lock at all, as you can tell. So that's super nice. It doesn't really pop out too. So even if it does, it's not gonna stop. So even, look, it's out a little bit. It's only going to stop if you pull it up manually all the way, and that's when it'll lock and act as a normal e-brake. So basically you could just push it up, pull it out, and then you're locked like a normal e-brake. The car's not going to move. And yeah, so this is drift mode, this is park mode, and it works really cool. So that's pretty much all you need for the install. Now I'm going to go try this thing out. All right, picking up my filmer right now so he could maybe get some outside shots and maybe get some other shots. I don't know. So here he is.
No GoPro?
No, not today. Grabbing some gas real quick before head out to Mexico. Surprisingly, it's under $4 today. All right, guys, I'm out here in Mexico, and I think it's time to test this thing out. We got one truck behind me. I don't know if he's gonna care or not, but I might just do it and dip because this is Mexico anyways. So yeah, the Miata's looking good though. Also, if you guys need to adjust your rear e-brake, check out my last video to tighten it up if your e-brake is a little bit too loose with the button. I'm gonna do a fucking J-turn from like Forza. Should have went to first, but I just wanted to rip the E. Alright guys, I'm sorry the lighting is terrible. Just the way New England is now, like when I get out of work it's like dark, so I had like 30 minutes to make this video, but I did the best I could. If you guys want to look at how to adjust your e-brake to do stuff like that, please check out my last video. Like I said earlier, that'll help you out a lot. But this button right here, it really does work really nice, and it's cool that you can use it like a normal e-brake or use it just like a drift e-brake. So that's from Touge Factory, and it was pretty cheap too. So I recommend that if you have a Miata. And yeah, that's basically just a review and demonstration of the button. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.